Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find someone's current location by phone number. First of all you have to do is open iplogger.org website. Once you open the website, all you have to do is search for any item on the internet. For Google Images, for example, I have searched BMW i7. Once you've made the search, you can visit any site of any picture. I will just copy the link. You just need a link. So what you have to do is paste that link on this section and create a short link. You have to agree with terms and conditions and click on confirm. From here, you will see this is our URL that we have just pasted, and this is the short link. You can also change the short link. For example, I will change the short link to 2no.co, and I will change this code to BMWi7. I will click on save. If it's already exists 001, just to add anything, what you have to do is turn on the toggle called collect GPS data. I will turn on the toggle. Now, if I have a friend that likes BMW i7, I will send him the link saying that check out this picture, amazing picture of BMW i7 interior. He will just open the link. Once the link has been opened, you can see the information of your friend. I will just refresh the page. As you can see, the date and time, the IP provider, the country, the device, referring pages, device identifier. If I click on more info, you will see the exact location of your friend. And that's how you can find someone's current location. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.